Direwolves, extinct for 10,000 years. But guess what? They're back. For real. Scientists used ancient DNA to prove direwolves aren't actually wolves. They're a separate ancient predator that split from modern wolves over 5 million years ago. But here's the 2024 shocker. 2 cloned direwolf pups were just born using advanced gene editing and domestic dog surrogates. And get this, these pups could help us study behavior, adaptation, even de-extinction. From Ice Age fossils to living, breathing pups, the direwolf legend isn't just history. It might be our future.